In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Monarch Money budget to efficiently manage your finances. With Monarch Money, you can simplify your budgeting process while keeping track of your spending, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Let's dive right in and start with the basics. First, you're going to open up the Monarch Money app. If you haven't yet logged in, go ahead and type in your credentials to access your personal financial dashboard. If you're new to Monarch Money, it might be helpful to explore a bit and get acquainted with the layout, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the key steps right now. Next, direct your attention to the Budgets tab. You'll usually find it on the main navigation bar, designed to make budgeting straightforward and intuitive. By tapping on this section, you'll enter Monarch's dedicated budgeting interface, where all the magic happens. Once you've arrived in the Budgets area, it's time to either create a new budget or select an existing category if you have one set up. To do this, simply tap the plus add budget button if you're starting fresh. Alternatively, you can choose from one of your existing categories. This step is crucial, as it lays the foundation of your financial plan and enables you to monitor where your money is going. Now that you have your categories in place, you'll need to set the amounts for each. This means determining how much you plan to spend in each of those categories. It's a good exercise to review your past spending habits to guide your decisions, ensuring your budget is both realistic and achievable. Make sure your allocations reflect your actual earnings and financial goals. The next essential feature of Monarch Money is tracking spending. The platform does a lot of the heavy lifting for you by automatically categorizing transactions, saving you the hassle of doing it manually. As transactions occur throughout the month, Monarch will update your budget, offering you a real-time snapshot of your spending. This automatic categorization feature is a convenient way to ensure you're staying on track without a constant need for manual input. Lastly, remember that budgeting is not a one-time event, but rather an ongoing process. Monarch allows you to adjust your budgets as needed. Whether your spending priorities shift or you decide to save more money, feel free to edit your amounts or categories. Plus, with the Flex Budget feature, you can roll over any unused funds to the next month, providing flexibility and encouraging savings. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can take full advantage of Monarch Money's budgeting tools to help manage your finances wisely. Don't hesitate to revisit or modify your budget as life changes, keeping your financial journey as smooth as possible. Hope this helps you in maintaining a balanced and stress-free financial life.